Today's episode, we're going to tackle the second junk drawer. So if you're interested in seeing how it gets organized, then you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now in today's episode, I'm still doing the decluttering and organization of my home. And this is the dreaded second junk drawer. Let me pull you back a little bit. Okay, now this is the dreaded second junk drawer. Yeah, I know. So what I'm going to do is take out things. Some things I need to put other places. Like this goes on one of my cleaning things. But I'm going to organize it, maybe even change it around to get it to work for me. Now, this is a bag of all the appliances and the small appliances that we have purchased. These are all the books. Now, this goes on my water jug, and I need to start back using this. Okay, this is the remote for the lights in the hallway. Yeah, that's all I'm going to say about it this time because I've put new batteries in it and it still don't work. This is a battery to the light above the bar here. Let me see. Yeah, this one still works. Now this is the books for all the appliances that were already here when we moved here. Now, none of the stuff I took out is going back in here. I have to find new homes for craziness. So now I'm going to gather some things that I want to keep in this drawer. And I hope you understand my madness. I had a feeling this one wasn't going to fit. Now, they fit. So I want to put the foil in here. And this is wax paper. So I want them in here. So now, this drawer has in it what I exactly wanted in here. Move this one here. Let me rearrange these a little bit. Now when I come in here and I'm looking for my sandwich bags and wax, all that, it's all right here in this drawer, all together. And I like that better than having them separated. So I think that's going to work for me. These are my bags for my slow cooker. So I think this is going to work just fine for me. I think this is it, guys. So I no longer have two junk drawers. I just have one. And I move these here. Now, for the area in the pantry where I move these from, I have something I want to put there. So let's go over to the pantry. Okay, there's a spot where they were right there. I'm going to move which I've been trying to figure out my bread box. So now I'm putting my bread box here in the pantry, so it won't be on the counter. I really didn't like it on the counter, but this right here would be perfect for it off the countertop. Now it is off the countertop and it has a home. I'm trying to declutter my countertops so it won't be so much stuff on them. So that's why I was looking for a place for the bread box to go. So I think that's an ideal place for the bread box. What you guys think? Let me know down below what you think about the movement of the bread box. And I hope you enjoyed this short cleanup video where I redid my junk drawer number 2 and made room for the bread box. And I'll catch you in the next video. I have more organization to go in this kitchen. See you in the next one. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.